Hello and welcome back to Algorithm World 2022. We're here on day 2 where our focus is on enterprises. My name is Jason Elliott and today I am joined by Paul Unbehagen, who is the CTO for Enterprise for North America. Welcome, Paul. Thank you very much for joining us this morning.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Excellent. So as enterprises are talking about the acceleration of digitalization, what is so important for enterprises to focus on right now?
Well, enterprises throughout the world are going through a lot of changes in a lot myriad of ways. For 10 years or so back, we did this whole concept of digital transformation. That led to cloudification, and cloudification is now creating a whole new buzzwords like Web 3.0 and metaverses and things like that. But those are simply like new ways of doing old things, right? And experiencing and understanding their environments as a whole. But that also requires that they have to look at their infrastructure, their network, how they process data, how they deploy systems in new, unique ways. And what's really interesting about it is enterprises have as complex, if not more complex networks than service providers, because their networks are not something that they make revenue off of. Their networks are what actually enable them to build their networks, build products, service customers, or even provide the infrastructure that is all around us every day that we don't realize, that keeps us alive, keeps our well-being, our healthcare, to just simply getting money out of our bank.
So on this digitalization journey for enterprises, how is Nokia helping these different industries and these different enterprises in this space?
So Nokia, unique as an enterprise vendor in this industry, tends to build very close relationships with our customers. Right? We like to cater to the customers, understand how to bespoke a network to their needs. For example, in the last 2 years, we've gone into helping school systems and rural environments to help homogenize the access to the network when students had to do a lot of their learning at home. And we provided a lot of capabilities of delivering out our network infrastructure as well as the wireless capability to deliver broadband everywhere and access to the school system's resources. So that was a really beneficial thing we tried to do for society and help that create a new generation that didn't get lost in education. Additionally, if you look at, for example, the work we do with our electrical grid, we do a lot of work providing a lot of the infrastructure that provides connectivity to understand what's going on for our electrical grid providers, right, to actually see what's going on in our environment, and we're a critical partner in helping them modernize the grid as well. Further into healthcare, we provide a lot of infrastructure for research of healthcare for doctors doing advanced research in genome, genetics, and how to personalize medicine by providing very high-end data center interconnect, connectivity to cloud, local cloud function as well. Our data center solutions go in and help them provide a cloud on-prem so that the research could be connected to an off-site AI and work in a very homogeneous hybrid cloud environment that protects their environment so they can really get the best of the benefits.
Wow, that's great. Thank you very much. And that's a great connection, as obviously at Algorithms World, you talked about AI there and data centers. So thank you very much for joining us here, Paul. Thank you very much for being here today. We'll be back with you very shortly later in the day from Algorithms World 2022, day 2. My name is Jason Elliott. We'll see you later in the day.